Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this Goan Pao, or also known as Goan bread. This is a traditional recipe which is made in Goa every single morning for breakfast. So in this recipe I've shown you how to make it step by step. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 1 kg all-purpose flour, add 1 teaspoon salt, add 2 teaspoon dry yeast, add 2 teaspoon sugar, and then give this a mix. Then add 120 grams chilled butter cut in cubes. Rub it in the flour mix using your fingers as shown. Then add 220 ml milk. Add 380 ml lukewarm water. Mix it until the dough leaves the side of the ball. Then place the dough on the kitchen table and knead the dough for about 10 minutes. Knead it as it is shown. Then dust some flour on the bottom of the bowl and place the dough in the bowl. Then cover it with clean film, or you can also use a clean towel. Then rest it for about 45 minutes until double in size. So after 45 minutes the dough must look something like this. It should double in size. The dough will be nice and soft. Then place the dough on the kitchen table and knead it again for about 5 minutes. Then take a measuring scale and measure each roll. Each roll must weigh around 100 grams. This is a very important step. This is how you will roll the dough. You can use the surface of the kitchen table. Something like this. Or you can roll it on the palm of your hand. Do exactly as shown. Something like this. Then brush the baking tray with oil. Then roll the dough and place it on the tray, leaving 2 cm gap in between each roll. Make sure you preheat the oven at 200 degrees centigrade. Then cover it with the towel and rest it for another 45 minutes until double in size. After 45 minutes it should look something like this. Then beat 1 egg and brush it on top of the bread rolls. This will help to give nice color to the breads. Then bake it at 200 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes until nice and golden brown. There you go, the breads are ready now. Then allow them to cool down completely. I hope you like this recipe, and if you like this recipe then please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.